Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the control panel and find here ring icon. Just click twice on the ring icon. Now it's switched to the mode 1, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the mode icon to switch it to the ring 1. So also we get one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and then you'll see here bell icon. Tap on this icon and switch it to the cross bell. So now this means that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, just by the same click to the cross bell and switch it to the regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.